Greetings to all Ghanaians. This is a short tutorial or video about the online voting for the impending Ghana Union election. And let me just mention that this quick video is brought to you by the Ghana Union Finland Election Committee. And it's purposely for those who will be voting via online. So if you will be voting, if you have any intention of voting online, then this video is for you. We're going to go through quickly how the voting will be done. So let's get to it. So basically, the Electoral Commission will collect emails of those who wish to vote online. And here, let me be specific. Only those with Gmail will be able to vote via online. Now, once the EC receive your email, on the day of voting, you will receive an email message like the one we have here, something like this. And all that you need to do is to click on it. You can access this via email, via tablet, PC, phone, any device should work. That is that you can access your email on. Now, before you start to fill the form, that is, before you start to vote, there is one specific thing that you need to note in the email to ensure that you have a good, your submission is valid. Now, that is the code, the voting code. This code you must memorize. And again, let me mention here that this is just an example. Every voter will have a unique code from the EC. So this is just an example. Now on the message, it says find the link below for Guf 2020 election. This is your personal link and can be answered only once. Use this voting code 554 on the form. Vote by clicking on the button fill out form, this one. After selecting your preferred candidate, click on submit to send your vote. So this is all basically a copy of the message that you will get. And then now we can either copy this one, just copy, or just memorize it. Of course, you can type and then hit this button. So once you hit, the form will open like that. And at the top here, that's the first thing you see. Enter voting code below. So here we can enter the code 554. And once we are done, we can go on and start voting. Now this is how to vote. You simply click on the name or in this small radio button. If it is on the phone or tablet, you can use your hand to tap on it, and that should be fine. So here, that's it. Scroll down. Vice President is a candidate and no, so yes and no. You do that. General Secretary, you can just any of them, candidate A and B. Deputy General Secretary, again, candidate A and B. Financial Secretary, again, candidate A and B. Treasurer, again, candidate A and B. Organizing Secretary, yes. Deputy Organizing, yep. And then let's say Publicity, yep. And then Welfare. Now let's assume that after this you would like to change your mind about certain answers that you have already selected. So you can scroll back up here like that, and let's say we want to change that one. Nice, we change it. We want to change that one, yes. And then we are back here. Now if you are satisfied with your answer, all you need to do is to click on the submit button to send your answer to the EC. So just click that one, and that's it. Your responses has been recorded. Now the form has been created in such a way that every individual is able to respond once with the email. And so if we should go back and try to click on this form, we should get this sort of thing. You have responded, already responded. Now we've also added the code as a security or second layer of security. So just in case that your browser saves the responses somehow and you're able to respond even to, the code that was added will be used to match the code that the EC have. So if you have responded twice with the same code, the second response might be considered a spoiled vote or not valid in that sense. And so this is a quick video of how the online voting will go. Once again, thanks for watching and hope to see you on the 15th of February, and come and vote for the future of Ghana Union. God bless you.